Dear students, in the previous episode, this episode is E42. All the points on each episode you are tracing in your notebook and study well. There is no other notebook for you because all the points of this are your notebook, not like English or Malayalam or Hindi or anything. Therefore, all the episodes be the notebook for your examination. Therefore, trace all the episodes on your notebook and study well. Then, in the previous episode, we discussed about all the main points and formulae for each solid. Then, in our chapter, that is the 13th chapter, all the problems are not for single solids. That means two or more solids joined together, we get a combined solid. On the base of the combined solids, we can find out the surface area and volume. Then, in this episode, we discuss about all the questions of the exercise 13.1. First question is, two cubes of volume 64 centimeter cube. Join end to end. Find surface area of the solid. That is combined solid. This is the figure. Cube means all sides are equal. Surface area of a cube is 60a square. And there are two cubes joined together. Therefore, the complete surface, they are not joined together. The surface area is equal to 6a square plus 6a square is 12a square. But we know that is joint entity. Therefore, the shaded portion is on surface of the first cube and on surface of the second cube. They joined together. These two surfaces vanishes from that solid. Therefore, 6a square is the whole surface area of a cube. One surface is remaining, we get to 5a square of that one. Then for the second one, it is also 5a square. Therefore, total is what? 10a square. That is the surface area of the combined solids. Clear? Otherwise, we know that this is A. It is also A. This one is what? A plus A, that is 2. Therefore, A is equal to 2A, B is equal to A, and H is equal to A. Therefore, we can find out the total surface area 2 into LB plus LH plus BH. That is another answer. But that for the answer there is a long step. That means we can find out the L, we can find out the A, we can find out the H, and also 2 into LB plus LH plus BH is replaced by 2 into L into B. That is 2A into A. But the direct method to find out the total surface area of the combined solid, simply we know that one surface of first cube and one surface of the second cube joined together, we know that two surfaces be not the same on the combined solid. Therefore, surface area is what? 5 plus 5, that is 10a square. That is the simple method to find out the surface area. What is given? 64 centimeter cube. That is all it is given. That means answer is what? A cube is given 64. We know that 64 by 4, 60. 4, 4. How many 4s? 3 4s. That is equal to 4, 2. 4 into 4 into 4. That is 64. Therefore, A is equal to what? 4 centimeter. That is the answer. Then surface area of solid is equal to only what? 10a square is equal to 10 into first of 16 is equal to 160 centimeter square. It is simple method to find Then second question number 2. A vessel in the form of hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. Diameter is 14 centimeter and height of vessel is 13 centimeter. Find inner surface area. Find its inner surface area. This is the second question. That means there is a hollow cylinder and it is unmounted by a hemisphere. This is the figure. This is a sphere, hemisphere. Clear? Total height is equal to 13 centimeter and the radius is equal to 14 centimeter. This is not a 14, it is diameter, therefore it is 7 centimeter. Clear? Therefore we can find out the cardinal surface area of the cylinder with the surface area, cardinal surface area of hemisphere, not the total surface area of hemisphere. That is a hollow. That means that is a tube for chemistry lab. Listen. Therefore, answer R is equal to 14 by 2 is equal to 7 centimeter. That is answer. Therefore, we can find out, we can use pi is equal to 22 by 7. Or otherwise, it is a multiple of 10, we can take as pi is equal to 3.14. That is on the basis of that given message, sometimes using 22 by 7 or sometimes using 3.14. Then height of the cylinder is equal to, that means height of the cylinder is, that is joined with this one. This is 7. Therefore, subtract 7 from that one, we get the height of the cylinder. That is 13 minus 7 is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, then what is the cardinal surface area of hemisphere? That is 5 r square, not pi r square, is 2 pi r square. Cardinal surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square, therefore hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Plus, cardinal surface area of a cylinder, that is base perimeter in the height. Is equal to 2 pi r into r plus s is equal to 2 into pi is 22 by 7, r is 7 into 7 plus 6, 7 cancels, so 22 into 2, 44, is equal to 572 centimeter square. That is the curved surface area of the inner surface of that combined soil. Clear? Therefore, R is 7, therefore the value is 7. That is the answer. Okay. Then the third question, question number 3. A toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere. Of same radius. Total height of toy is 15.5 centimeter. Find its total surface area. That is the third question. A toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 and the radius of the hemisphere is also 3.5. That is the same. Mounted on a hemisphere. Total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeters. 5 is the total surface area. Yes. This is the figure. This is the figure of that. Total height, that is 15.5. The radius 3.2. Total surface area of that one is what? The curved surface area of the cone plus curved surface area of the hemisphere. That is the total surface area of that. Now, what is the curved surface area of a cone? It is pi r L. Therefore, we can find out the L using the Pythagoras theorem. That means this one. T set this is L. Therefore, first of all, we can find out L. Then, answer is what? R is equal to 3.5. That is a multiple of 7. Therefore, we take pi as 22 by 7. H is the height of the cone. H is equal to what is it? Total height of the toy minus radius of the base. That is the hemisphere. That is 15.5 minus 3.5 is equal to 1 centimeter. Then we can find out L. L is equal to root of r square plus h square, root of r square, that is y square. That is 12.5 Base, that is a hemisphere, current surface area hemisphere, that is 2 pi ये आपके पास होगा मीनिंग आंसर 214.5 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. Then question number 4. A cubical block of side 7 centimeter is surmounted by a hemisphere what is the greatest diameter of hemisphere find surface area of solid. That is the answer. Question. This is also an important question. A cubical block of side, that is a cube, 7 centimeters is surmounted by a hemisphere. What is the greatest diameter of the hemisphere? Find the surface area. Yes. Listen. This is the cubical box. A hemisphere is surmounted. That means there is a hemisphere. A hemisphere is surmounted or down. Yes, sir. This is the top surface. This is the base of the hemisphere. Clear? This is the top part. Top part means there is the top is a square because it is a cube. And the base of that hemisphere is a circle. Therefore, circle is what? That means there are 4 corner points. Therefore, the surface, the area of the solid on the top is area of a square minus area of the circle. We get area of the top. Then we know that 6 a square is the total surface area. Out of 6 a square, that is 5 a square plus a square minus pi r square. That is 6 a square minus pi r square. 5 a square plus a square minus pi r square. That is 6 a square minus pi r square. That is the total surface area of the solid other than surface area of the hemisphere. That means 6 a square is the total surface area of that cube minus circle pi r square. That is the area of the remaining solids. Plus what? 2 pi r square. That is the carbon surface area of the hemisphere. That is the area of the solids. Clear? That means there are 5 surface, therefore surface area 5 a square. Then one top is a square, therefore area square is a square minus area of the circle, that is pi r square. We get to that is 5 a square plus a square, 6 a square minus pi r square is the total surface area of the cube other than the circular part plus carbon surface area of the hemisphere, that is 2 pi r square. Okay. Therefore, what is the diameter of that one? It is also 7 centimeter. Therefore, answer A is equal to 7 centimeter. Clear? And the diameter is equal to same centimeter. That is 2r is equal to 7 centimeter. Therefore, r is equal to 7 by 2 centimeter. This is like a square. Not 3.5. Otherwise, it is 3.5 or 7. Clear? Then, total, that is PSA of solids is equal to 6a square. That is the total surface area of the minus circular part pi r square. That is the total surface area of the cube other than the circular part plus carbon surface area of the hemisphere plus 2 pi r square. Clear? That is equal to 6a square minus pi r square plus 2 pi r square, that is plus pi r square, is equal to 6 into 7 into 7, that is a plus 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2, that is r square. That is 7 and 7 cancels, 2 and 2 cancels, it is 11. That is equal to 49 into 6. Is equal to 294 plus 11 into 7 is 7, that is 77. 77 by 2. That is 38.5. 38.5 is equal to 0.5. centimeter square, that is the total surface area of the solids. Clear? That means 6 a square is the total surface area of the cube. We can eliminate the circular part area, that is area of the circle, that is minus pi r square, plus carbon surface area of the hemisphere, that is 2 pi r square. Minus pi r square plus 2 pi r square is pi r square. We get the answer. Clear? Okay. Then the next question, that is question number 5. A hemisphere spherical. Depression. Is cut. Out from one face of a cube. Such that diameter L is equal to edge of cube. Find its surface area. That is the question. Here, there is a cubical box. A spherical is cut. This is the remaining part. That means this is the shape. It is cut. That means this type. This is the dimension. Therefore, we know that how many circles? 6 circles for the cube. And the total surface area 6 a square. But the diameter of that hemisphere is same as the edge of that cube. Therefore, there is only one surface being eliminating from that one. That means one surface being carving out. Therefore, this surface is not only surface. And we know that the hemisphere's curved surface area of the hemisphere plus surface area of 5 surface of that cube. We get the total surface area of the solids. Clear? Therefore, answer is R is equal to, that is 2R, diameter is equal to L. Therefore, R is equal to L by 2. A is equal to L. Then total surface area of solids is equal to, there is only one surface being carved out from that one. Therefore, it is what? 5 a square. Yes. Say this part is forward. Therefore, remaining part. That is 6 a square minus what? 5 a square plus what? Yes, that is the diameter same. Therefore, there is some remaining part of the same as the previous question. Plus 2 pi r square is equal to 6 a square plus pi r square is equal to 6 into a. What is 6? Then pi into L by 2 into L. U is equal to S square take as common. 6 plus 5 by 2 is equal to S square plus S square into 6 plus 5 by 2 means 3.14 by 2 because it is not to be multiple cell. That is 3.14 by 2 is equal to L square plus S square into 6 plus 1 point. Is equal to 7.57 L square. That is the area of the remaining solution. Then question number 6, a medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres. Into each end. Yes. Length of capsule is 14 millimeter. With the diameter 5 millimeter. Find the surface area. Okay, that means this is the figure. And the total length is 14 millimeter. Diameter is equal to 5 millimeter. Surface area capsule means curved surface area of the cylinder plus curved surface area of two hemispheres. Two hemispheres joined together, we get the surface area of the cylinder. Sorry, the sphere. Therefore, R is equal to 5 by 2 is equal to 2.5 centimeter. And we know that there is 2.5 centimeter on the right and 2.5 centimeter on the left. Adding these two, we get to 5 millimeter. Therefore height is equal Therefore, total surface area is equal to current surface area cylinder, that is 2 pi rx, plus current surface area of one hemisphere is 2 pi r square, other is 2 pi r square, adding these two 4 pi r square is equal to 2 pi r common into h plus 2r is equal to 2 into h 9. 22 by 7 into r, that is 2.5, into s, it is 9, plus 2r, that is 5, r is diameter is 2r, is equal to 5, is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 2.5 into 40, and cancels we get 2. That's equal to 2 into 2, 44, into 2, 88. That is 35 into 88. It is that is equal to 308 millimeter square. That is the surface area of that one. Okay. Then the other questions of this exercise be in the next episode, and all the questions are very important, and I can work out all the questions of this chapter. Okay, then the remaining part will be in the next episode. Thank you.